day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about Uniclic Floors. When putting in this floor, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have your foam mat down and all your floorboards. You want to make sure when you're putting your floor in that your groove side is facing out and your tongue side is facing back towards the wall. Now we'll take it and put it about a ½ inch from the wall. Go ahead and use a half piece of wood. Set it where it's going to go. Now we're going to take our other plank and lock it into place. Make sure that you line your corners up. Now we're simply going to pick it up and lock it down. What I like to do is kind of wiggle it up and down so that way it can work that tongue right into that groove. Then when we put our next piece in, you can see that we've gone ahead and locked in that joint there, and that there's not another joint butting up right to it. Now you'll go ahead and install the rest of your floor this way. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.